If you have a 3D printer and you have little kids, you need to get them on Tinkercad by Autodesk. I got the program downloaded on their iPads, and I want to show you what my 8-year-old has been up to. Within one day, he was able to design anything he wanted. He chose to design a stand for his phone. Within one day, he was able to design something, and we were able to 3D print it, and he could hold it in his hands by dinner time. It was pretty cool to see, and I think it got the gears turning in his mind, and I'm looking forward to what else he designs and we can build together. It's been a really cool time to spend with the kids, things we can do together, things that can involve them and they can use their creative minds. So after my 8-year-old finished dialing in the design in Tinkercad, we exported the object file and opened it in the Bambu Studio app. We sliced the design and sent it to the printer. We printed this in PETG, and within a couple hours, the final stand popped right off the bed. For an 8-year-old's first functional model, I'd call this a complete win. What should he build next?